Hello everybody, hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. I'm off into, well, I'm actually in central London now. I'm already here. I've just arrived at Barbican. I'm off to meet Hermione, who I'm sure all of you know already. Just in case you don't already know Hermione, she is brilliant. She's here on YouTube. She does lots of fantastic videos, lots of DIYs. She's just fully renovated her house. And there's a house tour that's just gone live, which is incredible. I'll link that video in the description box. And she's just moved to London, so I'm very excited about that. Sorry, it's incredibly rather windy. I feel like this isn't the best place to start the vlog. Wow, the weather seems to be turning. Yes. So, as I was saying, I'm off to meet Hermione, who has just moved to London, and Hermione's got us tickets to go to the Barbican Conservatory, which is something that I've never been to before, so I'm very excited to go to that. I'm very excited to see Hermione, and I think we might do a little spot of thrifting later on, so I'm very excited about that too. Here we are, reunited. I found Hermione. Well, actually Hermione found me. Yeah, and we've just come to, what's this bit?
This is just outside the conservatory in the Barbican.
So we're about to go in. So Hermione's nabbed us 2 tickets, which you were just saying went on sale like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks in advance.
Which are, they're free tickets. If anyone's interested, you can get free tickets for this, but they go on sale, yeah, like 2 weeks in advance, right?
And they've currently got something going on. They've got paper lanterns. It's like some kind of installation.
Oh, that would be good.
Yeah.
I'm excited to have a look.
Me
Right,
too.
let's go in.
Cool.
Cool. So we've just come outside now and we're out on the balcony, which is great. I've never been here before. I can't believe it. It's amazing. Yeah,
the weather is
cool.
Brilliant.
Yeah, we've lucked out with the weather today. We've actually had a little change of plan and we're going to head to St Dunstan's in the east, if I can say it, and go there because we thought we might be able to take some nice pictures there. But yeah, how nice is it?
Very nice. And all the plants off the balcony.
Yeah, yeah, let me show you. I say we're going to walk here, that's if we can find our way out of here. It's quite complicated, isn't it?
A little bit tricky. It's tricky getting in as well.
Yeah, we've just found our way up onto this walkway which kind of cuts through the middle. So that was kind of tricky to find, but we're on it now. So we don't have to walk through the water below, which is nice. And yeah, have a nice sort of 20-25 minute stroll. It'll be lovely. It's a lovely day for it. It's that nice autumn sunshine today.
It's very crisp as well.
Yeah.
Walking weather.
Yeah. Stopped for a little bite to eat. I've gone for a delicious bowl here. I've got all sorts of things going on. I've got some brown rice, some beans, some chicken, some sour cream. We've got salad here.
Something like that. I don't know if this counts as a salad.
The food here is delicious.
The best.
Also, tortilla chips. Had to be done. So we've made it to St Dunstan's in the east, and all the red leaves are starting to come out, which is very exciting. I feel like autumn is arriving here. How cool is that? Love it. And I've never been here before either. I'm a terrible Londoner. Hermione's showing me 2 places I've never been to before today.
You need someone from the Isle of Wight to come and tell
That's
you what
it, yeah. What other places have you been to recently that I probably haven't been to?
Well, you've probably been to like the V&A and stuff, and I went to that recently.
It's been a while though.
They've always got new stuff popping up though.
Oh, I need to be a tourist in London more often. This is fun. We've just made it to Covent Garden Market. Gonna have a little look around. I think we're gonna go to a thrift shop. There's Rocket here, isn't there? Just might have a little peek at that. And also, I think it looks like the Christmas decorations are up.
So cute.
It's getting dark now, so yeah, it should be twinkly soon. They've got the tub for the Christmas tree ready to go. Tree should be arriving soon.
We'll have to come back at Christmas.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
yeah.
there's a tiny one as well.
Baby Christmas trees here. Hermione's just spotted that all the lights are up. Not on quite yet. I'm not sure if they're switching them on just yet. But today is the day after the clocks have changed, so it is now it is 4:30, and it's just starting to turn, isn't it?
I really enjoyed that extra hour this morning.
Yeah, yeah, that was nice. Yeah, it felt a bit easy getting up today.
It did. When the alarm went off at 7:45 this morning, I was like,
yeah,
it's like 8:45.
Yeah, it's much better, isn't it? This is nice. They've got all the cosy heaters out. Just got to Rocket, Covent Garden, go and have a little look inside. Nice to have a little look in Rocket.
Yeah.
Hermione did make a purchase. You have to see what it was over on Hermione's channel. And yeah, we're going to head home now. It's just starting to get dark. All the lights coming on, which is very nice. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed being tourists with us in London today. Yeah, it's so fun. I thoroughly enjoyed looking at a couple of places that I'd never been to before. So I hope you did too. Let us know in the comments if you visited either of the spots that we went to today.
And where we should go next.
Oh, that's a good idea.
For Christmas.
Yeah, so we'll be getting together for a little look around at Christmas time. So yeah, anywhere you think we should visit, do let us know in the comments. And Hermione's been vlogging too, so that'll be up soon. Actually, I don't know when this one's going up, but if Hermione's vlog is up, I will link it in the description box down below, and also Hermione's channel too, so make sure you head over there as well. And yeah, time for us to head home now. We've both got loads of editing to do.
A lot.
Yeah.
We had a fun day though.
It was so fun. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.